Have you ever heard of a Bag of the Month club? I know, right? There's a phenomenon out there, and I'll tell you, it's fun, fashionable, and absolutely addictive. And it's all about making the bag. And when I introduce today's guest, you'll find out that this is her entire quilting world in a nutshell. Today on the Quilter on Fire podcast, we are talking everything bag making with Tara Sinclair of UhOh Creations. You don't want to miss this. Is there something about bag making that has you really hooked? Like, what is it? Why aren't you designing everything? Why is it really bags for you?
Well, first, I don't have to fit any boobs or bums with bags. It,
It's
it,
true.
I just cannot for the life of me figure out a full bust adjustment for anybody. And you know what? I don't know that I want to figure that out. It sounds so complex.
Oh, that's great. Tell
So,
us about the John Duffle Bag and the Keanu. I want to hear about both of those.
okay, so John Duffle Bag. John is a duffel bag that comes in three sizes. And I want to say he's a classic duffel bag with the end pockets on it, but my husband goes or used to go hunting with the boys every year.
Mhm.
Not that they brought back much meat. I think it was more of a drinking trip than it was
It's
a
the boys'
hunting trip.
party.
Exactly. They went out with their outfitter tent and they did not see the women for at least 10 days. But John was one of his hunting friends, and he also played cards with us, and he was on our dart teams. And John is an amazing friend, but he passed away a few years ago. And John Duffelbag is named for him because he was one of the boys that would take these duffel bags out hunting. That's where John comes from, and he wasn't Little John; he was a Big John. And so I had to
Aw.
call him Big John, John, and the Little John. So that's my Big John. So
Aw.
just in his memory.
Yeah, that's great. That's so heartwarming. And now a word from my clothing sponsor. Sass Boutique is dressing me in style for the podcast. I know you're thinking, what? This is audio, but you can check out the podcast trailer on the Quilter on Fire YouTube channel to see what I'm wearing each week. This adorable dress is an Angela Mara design. It's printed, it's linen, it's so comfy. It has a cute little side panel of jersey knit, and it has little pockets. Just call 250-494-1677. Sass Boutique, beautiful, comfortable, classy clothing. And you have a blog on the website. So let's talk about that. What kind of things do you feature on the blog?
Anything I feel like.
Anything goes. Did you like this trailer? Hit that subscribe button to get the new podcast trailer every week and click on the link in the description below to listen to the full podcast.